Accountancy auditing careers. Within the field of accounting, there are a lot of career choices, and the accountancy auditing career is just one. Auditing is very important, and it is considered an integral part of business finances. Auditors are greatly needed to examine, analyze, and verify the business finances. The Bureau of Labor claims that accountancy auditors are in demand at present and in the years to come. The employment of auditors is expected to increase eventually. If you're still looking for an accountancy career, you might want to consider working as a company auditor. What is an auditor? Auditors are also accountants. However, they primarily deal with examining and corroborating financial statements. The various statements are examined closely, and the auditors make sure that everything will add up. Sometimes, inaccuracies and errors occur. The task of the auditor is to determine where these inaccuracies or errors exist. Aside from that, auditors develop certain courses of action to avoid future errors. If you think that the task of the auditor is simply scrutinizing financial statements, you're quite wrong. Auditors examine the various company bills, and they ensure debit and credit accuracy. Errors are immediately corrected to avoid financial problems. Government auditors are different from non-government auditors. You see, they are the ones who examine from a different perspective, the tax perspective. Some filed tax returns are suspicious, and so the task of the government auditors is to conduct an audit on the individual or business entity and check if it's accurate. A very good example is a business that filed a tax return, claiming that they incurred many expenses. IRS auditors will then check the said expenses to ensure that it meets the tax code criteria. If it does not meet the criteria, the company can be given penalties. Most tax auditors have bad reputations, but they deserve more than that. You see, being a government auditor is among the top accountancy careers, because they make sure that the people are honest enough to file their tax returns, and that the government will not be cheated. An accountancy career is technology-driven. Many years ago, auditors work manually, but nowadays, it's a lot different. Present-day auditors should know how to work with computers and complicated accounting software or programs. This is the only way to keep up with technology and stay competitive in the market. If you want to become a company auditor someday, you have to graduate with a bachelor's accounting degree. Certifications are oftentimes needed, although some states don't require them. More job opportunities are open to those who earned a master's degree as well as some certification. Salary is a very important consideration when choosing a career. Auditors are earning a yearly salary of about $54,000. Senior auditors receive higher salaries, which can reach as high as $80,000 per year. However, if you're a new auditor, you can earn about $35,000 per year. You see, accountancy careers let you earn big money. Starting salaries are reasonable, and don't worry, because, after several years, your salary will definitely increase. If accounting is your passion, choose an accountancy auditing career. Despite the bad reputations of auditors, you should still believe in yourself and that you're going to have a decent job that lets you earn a reasonable salary. Who cares what other people say? The important thing is that you're doing an excellent job.